Yes, student. Now we solve question number 3rd of this exercise. A wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. Through how many radian does it turn in 1 second? Clear? 360 revolution in 1 minute. Question number 3rd. Number of revolutions in 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. 60 seconds, that is 360. Number of revolution in 60 seconds. Number of revolution in 60 seconds is 360. Now can you tell me the number of revolution in 1 second? In 1 second. Number of revolution in 1 second, that is 360 by 60. And in 6 revolution. 6. Clear? Angle made by the wheel. Angle made by the wheel. Angle made by. Angle made by a wheel in 1 revolution. In 1 revolution, angle made by wheel in 1 revolution, 1 complete revolution, that is 360 degree. And in radian, you know 360 degree, 2 pi. That is 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian. Because in the questions, how many radian does it turn in 1 second? So therefore, 2 pi. And the angle made by a wheel in 6 revolution, that is 2 pi into 6, that is 12 pi is the answer. This is question number 3rd. Clear? Question number 3rd, you can check again. A wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. Through how many radian does it turn in 1 second? So firstly we want to calculate the number of revolution in 60 seconds, that is 360, and in 1 second 360 by 60, that is 6 revolution, and we know that angle made by the wheel in 1 revolution, that is 360 degree, and 360 degree you can say is 2 pi radian, and the 2 pi radian in 1 revolution and the 6 revolution, the answer is 12 pi radian. This is question number 3rd. Now we solve question number 4 of this exercise. Question number 4. What is the question number 4? Find the degree measure of an angle subtended at the center of the circle of radius 100 cm by an arc length of 22 cm. This is the question number 4. Is the circle, and we want to find the degree measure of this central angle theta, and in this question arc length is given, that is AB, arc length AB, that is L, that is given 22 centimeter, and the radius is given 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Now find the degree measure angle. You know this is L, this is R, and formula you know L is equal to R theta. L is equal to R theta. You want to calculate theta, and in this formula theta is given in the radian. Put the value of L. L is here 22 and R is here 100. That is theta. So therefore simply you can say the theta is 22 by 100. On simplification with the help of table 2, you can cut 11 by 50 radian. 11 by 50 radian. There is a theta. But in the question, how many degree can you convert radian into degree? Now theta in degree. Theta in degree. 11 by 50 multiply by when you convert radian, multiply by 180 by pi. 180 by 5. This will cancel. 11 by 5 into 18 by 22 into 7. Okay. You can cut 11 to the 22 and 2 9 the 18. 9 7 the 63 by 5. Now simply you can divide. That is 5 the 5, 1 is the remainder, and the 13 5 to the 10, and that is 12 degree, and 3 is the remainder. 3 is the remainder. 3 degree, when you convert 3 degree into minute, then it become 3 degree into minute, 63. 5 on the 5, 1 3 5 to the 10, 3 multiply by 60, that it becomes 180. 5 3 are 15, and here 3 30, 5 6 are 30. Therefore you can see 12 degree 36 minute. 12 degree 36 minute is the answer of this question. This is question number 4, and now we solve question number 5. We solve question number 5. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, 40 centimeter diameter, it means radius is 20 centimeter, and the length of chord is 20. Length of chord is 20. This is the question. And find the length of the minor arc of the chord. Minor arc of the chord. You want to find APB. This is minor arc. You have to find this. This is the question. Question number 5. Very important question. You know that OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB is equal to 20 centimeter. Radii of the same circle. Radii of the same circle. Radii of the same circle. And you know that AB is equal to 20 given. So therefore, on comparing, you can say AB is equal to OA is equal to OB. Correct? And you know that in a triangle, if all three sides are equal, then it is equilateral triangle. In a triangle, if all three sides are equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. And in equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degree. Therefore, you can say angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Can you convert 60 degree into radian? That is pi by 3. Multiply pi by 180. When you simplify, the answer is pi by 3. Now theta, you know, this is theta pi by 3. And formula, you know, L is equal to R theta. Formula R, you know, 20. And theta, you know, pi by 3. Therefore, answer of this question is 20 pi by 3. 20 pi by 3. This is the answer. The homework, do exercise 3.1. Do exercise 3.1. Question number 1 to 5. Okay, thank you.